Hydrogen? Hydrogen is a chemical element whose symbol is H, and atomic number and atomic mass is equal to 1. With just one proton and one electron, hydrogen is the most common element in our universe, making up 75% of the mass of the entire universe. While on Earth, we rarely find hydrogen in a free state due to its high reactive nature. Henry Cavendish. Hydrogen was first discovered as a distinct element in 1766 by an English scientist, Henry Cavendish. He prepared it by reacting an acid with a metal and described the gas released as inflammable air from metals. Cavendish also observed that when the gas was burned, it produced water. In 1783, a French scientist, Antoine Lavoisier, named this element hydrogen, which comes from the Greek hydro, meaning water, and genes, meaning forming. An atom of hydrogen has one electron in its valence shell, which results in hydrogen having an equal tendency to lose or gain the single valence shell electron to attain stable configuration. On losing an electron, hydrogen resembles alkali metals, while on gaining an electron, it resembles halogens. Due to this nature of hydrogen, its position in the periodic table is uncertain. Hydrogen naturally exists as three isotopes: protium 1H1, which is 99.98% of total hydrogen present; deuterium 1H2 or D, which is 0.014%, and tritium 1H3 or T, which is 7 into 10 minus 16%. Tritium is unstable and shows radioactivity. Hydrogen naturally exists in gaseous form, which is colorless, odorless, tasteless, but it is a highly combustible diatomic gas at room temperature. Reactions of hydrogen gas. 1. Hydrogen reacts with fluorine and chlorine to form hydrogen fluoride and hydrogen chloride. 2. Hydrogen reacts with lithium and calcium metals in presence of heat to form lithium hydride and calcium hydride. 3. Hydrogen reacts with nitrogen gas in Haber process to produce ammonia gas. 4. Hydrogen reacts with alkene or alkyne to give alkanes.
Please like, share and comment on the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.